How to remove family member on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. And settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the profile details. Okay, you can tap this. And now here, scroll down and below, you can see here the family member section. So for my example, I remove one of my family member. So this is an example only. So from example, I remove this Aaron Doloraya. To remove this on my family member, okay, you'll have to do is tap the pencil icon on the right side of this. And the pop-up below are show. And now you can see the remove family member button here. Okay, you can tap this and another pop-up, delete item. Are you sure you want to delete this item? Okay, you'll have to do to remove successfully the family member is tap the okay button on the pop-up. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully removed family member on Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.